Easy as pie.
Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. If you're new, you're welcome. I hope you all are doing well. So into this video, I'm going to be doing 4 jumbo cornrows. So if you want to see and know how I did it, please keep watching. So and also for right now, I'm going ahead to apply some hair cream on my hair. So I'm going to use my fingers to walk in the hair cream into my scalp. So for this hairstyle, I use only 1 pack of Xpression braided hair cut into 2. So I cut it into 2 and then pull on the tip to give me extra length for the hair. So right here, I'm going ahead to section off this part of the section for the first braid. So I'm starting at the high point of my brow. So I'm going to section all the way to the back. So that will be for the first braid on the side. And also after sectioning that part off, I'm going to go ahead and put the rest of the hair into a ponytail. So that will just to get it out of the way while I work with this section of hair. Okay, now that is done, so out of this session I'm going to make another smaller session that will be for the first small braid on the side of the hair. So whatever I do to this side of this hair, I'm going to repeat the same thing on the other side of the hair. I'm just sectioning it off, and next I'm going to put that just put it away. So right now I'm going ahead to apply hair wax, so that will help to tame the edges and also kind of smooth out the roots of the hair. So for the fading cornrows right here, I'm starting with my own natural hair first before going ahead to adding the extension. And also for the fading braids, you want to start with a smaller piece of hair of a hair extension. As you braid along, you can increase the amount of hair you add as you braid along. But first, you want to start with your own hair first. So right now I'm going in with the first piece of the hair. So right here, just put it in that way and just continue to braid. So you want to repeat the same thing, just keep increasing the amount of hair you add to the braid till you get to the last part. So next I'm gonna go ahead and work on the jumbo braid. So first I've already applied the hair wax on the roots of the hair. So right now I'm going ahead to comb it. So doing the same thing, I'm also starting with my own hair first before going ahead to add the extension. So also doing the same thing, starting with a smaller piece of hair and then increase the amount you add to the braid as you braid along. So once you braid to the part where the smaller braid ends, you want to take it and just like that and put it under the braid, just as I did in this video, and continue to braid. So I've already braided the other side of my head off camera. I did the same thing I did on this side. So right now I'm going ahead to work on the next section. So on this next section, I parted like a middle part. So from this section right here, I'm gonna make a smaller section for the small braid. So just starting by sectioning that off in the middle part, and then make the section a little bit past where the first smaller braid ends. So I've already applied the hair wax off camera, so right now I'm going ahead to do the fading cornrows, doing the same thing, starting with my own natural hair first, and then next I'm going to go ahead and add in the extension. Also doing the same thing, increasing the amount of hair I add to the braid as I braid along. So before going ahead to do the third jumbo braid, I'm gonna go ahead and do the last smaller braid. So to achieve the crisscross braid, I'm taking some hair from this section and just making the curve all the way to the other section. So that would create the curve and also the crisscross braid on the front. So I'm just gonna let you guys watch this, and I'll come back if there's any need for explanation. So I'm done braiding the third jumbo braid. So right now I'm going ahead to work on the last section. So doing the same thing, starting with my own natural hair, and then before going ahead to add in the hair extension. So also remember, you have to increase the amount of hair you add to the braid as you braid along. So once you braid to the part where the smaller braid ends, you want to take it and put it under just like that, and continue to braid the hair. So once you braid to the tip of the hair, you want to go ahead and do a 2-stand twist on the tip to give you the tint finish on the tip of the hair. So after that, you want to go ahead and dip the tip of the hair into hot water. So here is the finished result of this braid style. I hope you loved the video. If you do, please don't forget to give it a thumbs up, and also if you're new to my channel, please don't forget to hit the subscribe button down below. If you already subscribed to my channel, thank you so much for subscribing. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in my next one.